Hi, in this video I would like to show you how to check version of Inkscape. It's really simple, but sometimes it may be really difficult to do it. The reason of that is really simple, because normally we can find this option in File and Settings, but in this type of software we don't have here settings. So what you should do to check version of your Inkscape, you need to go to the upper side, and here you have something like Help. Now you will see very useful information here. You have here information about manuals, about keys. Of course, you can even ask a question, and you can find here a lot of other informations. But we are interested in to go to About Inkscape bookmark. We need to open this option. So now you will see this window, Inkscape Draw Freely, and here you have three options to check your version. So first option is here. We have version 1.3.2. The second information is on the image, and the third information is under this image. We have here short text about the version of this software. Okay, so I hope that I helped you to check it. Now we need to close this window, and we are ready to continue our project. And it's everything in this video. If I helped you to resolve your problem, support my work and subscribe my channel and like this video, and thank you for watching.